Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. And to call it, firstly we should add this feature to the gesture, because by default we cannot do this. But we can use an application and we can add it. You need to open HUAWEI Life application. By the way, you cannot install this application from the Play Store. You need to use App Gallery or your browser. And if you don't know how to install this application, you can check video at this channel. After you open it, of course your headphones should be connected with the application. Tap on them. Then scroll down. You need to find gesture control on the left side at the bottom. Click on it. Then you can add this feature only for the double tap or press and hold. Then select you want to use the left or right earbud. You can use both of them. I just want to use my left earbud. So I click on it and then select Wake Voice Assistant. Let's also add it for the press and hold and check it. And let's say I want to add it for the right earbud. Also Wake Voice Assistant. For the triple press, as you can see, we have no options to add Voice Assistant, and the same for the swipe. Okay, so let's check it. At the top, we have touch area. 1, 2. Maybe I'll put it to my ear. 1, 2. And as you can see, I just call Gemini, because we set up Gemini for this phone. If you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. Then let's check press and hold for the right earbud. Again, at the top we have touch area. So press and hold. And also it works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!